Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, I will do a unboxing. So I will unbox for today our latest Jack's purchase, the Google Nest Hub Max, guys. If you are very familiar, we have a lot of different sizes of this Google Nest. So today I will do the Google Nest Hub Max here, as you can see here, guys. So I have a box here. So we are going to do unboxing for today's video. So what are we waiting for? Are you ready, everybody? Happy watching! Okay guys, so let's get started. This is Google Nest Hub Max again. Ayan, ito yung box niya. So may plastic pa talaga. So ito at the back, big help for your business home. And then you can see here, guys. So ayan. So Bluetooth and Wi-Fi siya. Works with Android and iOS. Chromecast built-in. So on the other side, you can see here yung mga pwede nyo sabihin kay Google and Google Assistants, of course. There's Google Duo, YouTube, Google Photos, Google Calendar, Google Maps, and Spotify. So ayan. So now we are going to take it out the plastic. So ayan siya. So ito. So ano siya, guys. Ayan guys, si Mama. Ayan si Mama. Oh yeah guys, so ito siya. So this is the Google Nest Hub Max. Ayan, ayan guys. So ito siya. Ayan. So I think this is the speaker. And ito yung I think outlet something. There's a cord here. We will put it later. And then ayan siya guys. Yan, plastic na plastic pa siya. Hello guys! Ayan. So, ayan. Diba? So, siya. So, I will set aside this one guys. And we will see what's inside of the other box. So, ito. Binuksan nyo siya dyan guys. They have a manual over here. So, ayan. Connect power adapter to your Google Nest. Second, ayan, download the Google app. Ayan. Say, hey Google, what can you do? Ayan, diba? Social talaga si Google. Tapos mayroong, yung part of the home. So, ito yung warranty. I think this is the warranty. Another documentation over here, guys. So, we will set aside here, guys. And we will find what's in the other. So this is the adapter of the Google Nest Hub Max. So ayan siya guys, Australian plug siya, output, and then ayun yung nasa likod ng ating Google Nest Hub Max. So adapter siya. Now I will set aside again. And what else here guys? Apakalaki ng box, ha? So I think box na lang siya guys. Wala na. Ayun lang. So, ayun lang guys. Yun nasa loob ng box. Diba? Bongga. So, ayun yung box. So, I set aside. So, ito lang yung laman niya guys. Tatlo lang yung mga papers, instructions, warranty, and then being part of the home is respecting the privacy and the adapters guys, and the Google Nest Hub Max. Also, ayan guys. So, ito. I think this is the open. So, ayan. Ang bigat niya ha, in fairness. So, ito. Yeah.
Back on, that's the microphone mute.
Microphone mute.
Yeah, mute the microphone, so if you're talking to it, you can like turn it off so it doesn't actually like respond to your voice.
So, ito guys. So, this is the adapter. Diyan natin ipapasok. So, ayan. So, I think this is the on and off. Is this on
That's
and off?
volume.
This is the volume guys. Volume. Okay guys, so ito na yung ating Google Nest Hub Max. So ito yung camera guys, ayan yung camera, and then I think this is the speaker. This is the one you mute it when you press slide it, and then this is the adapter, which one you can connect of this cord. Ayan yung adapter kanina. So ito, mabigat siya guys, mabigat siya, and then ayun yung monitor. So, we have here on the other side, guys, the Google Nest Mini. Maybe the pad like that. So, eto kasi, wala siyang camera. So, the other one have a built-in camera, which is in the middle here. So, you can YouTube. This one also can YouTube also, guys. You can connect through your mobile phone. And then, eto siya, guys. Ito yung isa namin na nasa room. Pero ngayon din na namin sa Caravan. So, ayan na guys ang ating Google Nest Hub Max. So, that's it guys. That's our unboxing our Google Nest Hub Max for today's video guys. So, ito na siya. Taran! So, it's a massive LCD guys. Built-in camera. You can do a zoom here. You can watch YouTube. You can watch your movies. Or you can ask Google anytime when you are bored like me. So, ito yung speaker niya sa at the back. So, nakita nyo kanina yung unboxing ko. Nandun yung mga may paper, tapos may warranty, and then the adapter, which here guys. So, nakita nyo rin kanina yung aming comparison here sa aming mini Google Nest. So, this is the other one guys. So, it's a tiny one. So, you can see the difference now. It's a very small and a big one. Small and big guys. So, I will put the description in my description box down below, the specification of this one, the features of the Google Nest Hub Max na binili ni Jax. I think it's like sale now. So, 249 AUD dollars. So, I think it's like 349 something. It's less than, I think, $100, something like that. So, when you convert it in peso, it's like 8,900 plus peso like. So guys, ayun na nga. So that's the end of our video for today, our unboxing our Google Nest Hub. I hope you enjoyed watching and you had fun today. Thank you very much for watching, and mega love shout out to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao lang!